I'll fix it here. Back to the next step on the van. I'm having so much fun doing it. Hey, this is my helper, the honeybee. She is coming later in this video to help me. Oh dear, I hope she doesn't come in that outfit. That might not work out. I see a lot of videos of people making vans and they're like all in a hurry, rushing to get it finished in time for something. I don't know. I'm not in any rush. I enjoy each process, each thing that I do on it. It's fun to do. So right now I'm experimenting with different ways to put in the pink foam against the metal walls inside. This one, Loctite PL300, actually is easier to work with. Oh, it's a long time to set up to all these things. What I do is I just put a stick against the wall across and leave it there for a day or two. This is what I'm using. This is 1 inch thick. It's a R5 rating. So a lot of people are going with a 1/2 inch. And then if they want more, they put another 1/2 inch. And the reason they do that is because the concave wall of the van, it's hard for this to bend enough at 1 inch. But the 1/2 inch stuff bends better. I would rather just do it all one shot with the 1 inch. And I'll just cut it in pieces and let it, if it don't bend enough, I think I'll just cut it. Here's what I got so far. And look at there, there's the Pink Panther, yay. Look at that. I pushed on it and I could see that it wasn't adhered into, in the back there. It was springy. I took it all off and re-glued the glue on there with this cut in half. That way it doesn't have to bend in the middle as much. And I can still use the 1 inch foam and not have to come back again and again and use all that glue. This is better, I think. So yeah, it's working good. Look at this. I'm gonna try this molding and paneling one. Anyway, I'm having fun. Are you having fun? Hope so. It's the journey, or it's the climb. You heard that one, that song? Now you just take a piece of wire or screw or something and poke that. Woohoo! Now put that in there, and do this piece right here. Okay. Well, it comes out easier than that other premium stuff. See there, what I did? Okay. We'll stick this up in here. Okay, then we just support it with a stick. Get this on here. Yeah. Okay, I'll leave that in there for a day or two, whatever it takes. I guess I should read whatever it takes on here. What does it say? Cure time, 24 to 48 hours. Okay, most of these things are kind of like that. Kind of pain in the butt, but when you glue something in and just put a stick on it and leave it for a couple days, and it'll be good. Look at this bendy thing right here. I got a fix for that too. You'll notice that all along there. See that bendy thing in the wall? Look what I did. That bendy thing, I took a angle grinder. Yeah, it's a flap sander. And you just go right across there a few times, however shape you want. And I'm not trying to get exact or anything, but yeah, I think this is going to be cool to shape very much like the van wall. This funny shape here, well, I made the shape. Look at that. Oh yeah. See how that just goes. It sits nice and flat. I don't know if it's exact or not, but you know what? Go gobbledygook a bunch of glue behind it and stick it on there. That's what I say. I just came back from a Lowe's store. I picked up this stuff. As you know, I used the pink stuff on one wall. Well, that pink stuff is $34 for one sheet. This one's only $16 for one sheet. Is the pink stuff better? Yes. However, this is R4, R3.9, about, 4. And the pink stuff is R5. If you want to pay twice as much just to get one more R factor, go ahead and get the pink stuff. I'm going to cut some corners a little bit here and there. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the other wall. And it's less than half the price. It's almost the same R factor. R4, R5.
So here I am just gluing these foam pieces. I'm doing the edges and then also some blobs in the middle. Okay. Now,
What an art piece.
here we have it.
Voila.
Right here.
What a nice fit.
To make it stay, we have to put a stick to it. Here. This here.
Looks like it'll work to me.
And then moving on to your next piece.
What a fit. I'm going to see about getting some more sticks cut ready for you.
Okay.
It's a shame to cover up an artwork like that. Jamming up against the door, that works.
Yeah, don't open the door.
Yeah, don't open the door now. Let's see about this one. See, it still bows.
But it's like flexible.
So, what I want to do is put some more cuts back here. And run a couple times to make it kind of deep. Move it over a little and do it again. Once you get several slices in here. If it happens to cut all the way through, we just put it up as a separate piece. Meanwhile, I will start getting some more foam over here for you.
Okay.
Oh yeah, nice and flexible.
So,
Yeah, well, that seems like it's doing good.
Yeah, it's flat now.
Nice.
Okay. What do you think?
Oh yeah, looking good.
Uh-oh.
Look out, you're gonna have like a pie in the face or something.
This is, I think, this one. Look how perfect.
We need a piece 27 by 25. So far, so good?
Yeah.
In case anybody's wondering if you can cut this with one of those, you can, but it makes a kind of a snowy mess, right? You know what? This stuff bends easier than the pink stuff.
Oh.
That's good to know. The white stuff bends easier than the pink stuff, but still, I think it would be good to make some relief cuts back there to make it bend even easier.
Relief cuts?
Yeah.
Okay, then I need the little knife.
Yeah. Heck, let's put a few more and make sure it flexes all over the place. By the way, what I'm drinking is orange vanilla with a little stevia. And it tastes like one of those dreamsicle. You know, when you're a kid, the ice cream that's vanilla and orange. It tastes just like that. It's awesome. Yeah, look at that bend. Oh yeah, it's doing good. I think maybe that's enough, huh?
Okay, let's try it out.
Okay. You know what? Of all the videos I've seen of people putting insulation in, I've never seen anybody cut relief cuts and make it bend to the wall. You first saw it here on I'll Fix It 1000.
I would say maybe one more here.
Okay, one more relief cut.
Everywhere else is really good. Oh, I said, where's Blue?
Oh, Blue? Mm-hmm. Oh, where's Blue? I wonder. Hey, Blue, where you at?
Being lazy?
Was asleep in the corner somewhere. Blue, where's Blue? Here, Blue. Oh, there's Blue. He was playing in the trailer. Yeah, there's Blue. Come say hi to everybody, Blue. Blue is on his own channel. It's called Blue Hippo H2O. Check it out. Wow, the masterpiece. I don't know, it looks pretty good actually.
Well, of course, I did it.
It looks really good actually. Look at that artwork. My gosh. Man. Oh, I got another tube. Whoa. Yep. That one's loaded.
My masterpiece. That's probably better.
Oh yeah, I think it's got it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it looks
Like
good.
this?
Well, the honeybee is going to try this other kind of saw and see if that works. All right, looking good.
Oh.
This one's a little snowy too. Okie dokie.
So we'll go right under the bump, right here.
Like I say, it doesn't have to be exact. Just in the ballpark. Don't cut your leg. Whoa, that didn't look too bad.
So this is the PL300 foam board construction adhesive loft.
Yeah, it seems to work good. That's the best one so far.
Yeah, this is the one we're using for the foam. La 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 da da da.
Let me see your masterpiece. Oh,
It's all covered up here.
very nice.
You'll make sure you get all the edges.
It probably doesn't work right unless it's very artistic.
No.
Wow, what a fit.
Right here. This is the perfect fit right here.
Okay.
Now, we want to use this one or this one?
Yeah, let's do that one. Hey, you having any trouble getting your foam to bend to the walls? You know how it's curved in there? Look at that. Easy. Ta-da, just slice, 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 almost all the way through. And if you do all the way through, no big deal. You just put it in separate pieces. Slice it up there and it'll bend right to the wall. Hey, I was thinking about what to do with the wheel wells. I wasn't sure if I was gonna even insulate them, but a lot of people use Reflectix. I was at a yard sale yesterday. Look what I got. 2 rolls of some kind of Reflectix for $5 for the 2 rolls. I love yard sale. On a limited income like me, it's the way to go. Look at this now. Now it might not be exactly the right kind of Reflectix. I don't really know, but whatever it is, it's gonna be better than nothing, I suppose. And I'm just gonna go for it. For $5 for 2 rolls, I could do all kinds of things. I'm excited. So to start with, I decided that probably the first thing to do is just clean this thing really good. And I have a can of thinner. I was thinking about maybe some Gorilla Contact Cement. For sure, we got to clean it. Thinner in a rag. Here we go. I hope the thinner doesn't melt my gloves. I have no idea. Let's see, how does this work here? Well, to start with, I just grabbed my scissors and 1 roll of this stuff that I got so cheap at a yard sale, and I just started cutting next to the wall for that little strip right there. I did a little snip with some scissors, and I used some of this Gorilla Contact stuff. A word of warning, this is really stinky stuff. I got some concerns because is the stinkiness of this gonna come up whenever the van gets hot or anything? Do you guys know about that? I'm just wondering, you know, it works great and it's fast and easy, but very stinky, and who knows what the heck happens later. You guys know about this? Have you used it? Did the smell keep coming back during the day when you go out camping?
All right, so next we're going to fill in the cracks and the spaces between the foam, and we are using Great Stuff Caps and Cracks. So make sure you shake this vigorously very well for at least a minute. And then you're ready to go. Screw the top on, and you can start filling in between their cracks, just filling in those gaps between the insulation foam pieces.
Man, does that sound like a professional or what? We are on it. Look at that protective gear and all that stuff. We don't have no idea what we're doing, but we look professional. All right. Cool stuff.
Yeah. Let's see. Here up top. Kind of falling.
Squish some more and then.
Okay, update. So we figured out that this product is better suited for tinier, smaller cracks to get really in there. Not so good for the bigger gaps. So we're gonna get a different product and we'll let you know what it is.
All right.
This one you can see it starts to droop a lot and it's really hard. The consistency of it is just really hard to, I don't know, stay like. All right, so we went to the store and got this big gap filler, great stuff, up to 3 inches instead of the other one was up to 1 inch to fill in these bigger gap spaces. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out and see how this goes. Woo. So it pretty much looks the same as the other one, the same consistency and everything, but this is up to 3 inches.
So what do you think about this big gaps and cracks? That's worked better so far, right?
I guess.
Still, we're having a little trouble because the walls of this thing go slant inward, so gravity tends to make this stuff fall off instead of sticking to the wall. And we've used 2 cans of regular gap stuff, and then this is our second can of this one. Well, we haven't really filled up all of these things yet. I was thinking about filling this top thing here, but I decided not to because we'll want to run wires in it probably. So we're probably going to fill these things maybe. Yeah, we'll just fill these up. So that's going to take quite a bit more cans, I think, to fill those. Okay, well, that's the show for today. And don't forget, you don't have to finish your van to go out and have some fun. Heck, throw your stuff in the van and head on out. That's what I'm doing. Well, anyways, come to my channel, I'll Fix It 1000, and see how I'm doing this little by little, putting the van together and having some fun while I'm doing it. And you know what to do with my channel. Hit the like button and stuff. You know. Adios, amigos. Ciao.